Welcome to this tutorial on exporting Google People Also Ask (PAA) questions and answers to CSV using JavaScript code and the browser console. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and search any term or question using Google. For example, let's search any random question. We enter the term and press search. Then, to proceed, we need to open the browser console. You can do this by simply pressing the F12 key on your keyboard. Once the console is open, you'll be able to paste the provided JavaScript code snippets. In the console, paste the first code snippet labeled as Step 1. This code will initiate an automated action that will help us gather all the necessary data from the search results. You can find the code Snippet 1 in the video description. After pasting the code, the page will start scrolling and expanding the questions automatically. You need to wait until the data collection finishes. This scrolling action ensures that we collect all the questions and answers from the Google page. Once we see the message, Finished, on the console, you can proceed to paste the second code snippet labeled as Step 2. This code will extract all the questions and answers and store them in a CSV file. You can find the code Snippet 2 in the video description. By pasting the code snippet, a CSV file named questions.csv will be automatically downloaded. This file will contain the questions and answers in a format suitable for spreadsheet applications. You can directly open the CSV file in Excel or any other similar software. Congratulations! You've successfully exported the Google People Also Ask (PAA) questions and answers from the Google search. If you have any problems or need more help, feel free to leave a comment. I will be happy to help you. You can copy and paste all the codes from the link in the video description. Thank you for watching and happy data exploration. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss other cool codes for your browser console.